YouTube's gonna take this down. I'ma just... Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. I received a PR package from Brooke Montgomery for her book Here With Me, and it's her newest release. It's the first book in the Sugarland Creek series. I'm gonna open up this box with you guys, and I'm so excited because I've been seeing little bits and pieces of her putting together the box. So to finally have it in my hands and to open it up, I'm super excited. Let's get into it. This is what it looks like. It says, Take Me to Sugarland Creek, a forbidden age gap standalone from small-town romance author Brooke Montgomery about a daring horse trainer and her off-limits ex-boyfriend's dad. By the time that this video comes out, this book has already released. It released September 6th, so if you haven't checked it out already, I'll link it in the description below. But let's get into the box. I see this card right off the bat. It tells you what's in the box. We're not gonna look at that because I want to be surprised. Even though I saw some bits and pieces on Instagram, I still want to go through it and see it for myself. But on the front of the card, it says, available September 6th in ebook, audio, paperback, and hardcover. Also find Here With Me in German and Italian translations. Pretty cool. Oh my god, there's a bunch of... Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's start with the cup. Wow! It says Sugarland Creek Ranch, and it's a Starbucks cup with some Western cowboy style stickers. Ooh, there's a lot of goodies on the inside. I see a cookie, and there's also a shot glass. Ooh, that's a pretty sticker. The shot is called a buttery nipple. Butterscotch vodka with artificial flavors. What does it say? I only ride horses and your dad. Then here's a cookie. Oh boy. I'm gonna be sharing this with my family later and they're gonna be like, what is that saying? I only ride horses and your dad. I'm seeing a theme here. Sweets by Steph, a cookie company. Made from scratch by Steph. Flour, sugar, butter, egg, vanilla, artificial flavoring, baking powder, salt, powdered sugar, meringue powder? I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm excited to try this later. The amount of time it must have taken to create these cups, that's insane. Ooh, I see a pencil. Not a pencil. Oh, it's a straw. You gotta have the straw for the cup, of course. Okay, perfect. I was wondering if there was gonna be a straw. Okay, it's a little pouch. This is one side. And this is the other side, and there's something in here. Ooh, a little card. Looks like this, and this. There are tabs. So this is a pen. Great annotation tools. Oh my gosh, and this is a highlighter. What the heck? There's so many goodies. Trope cards. Oh my gosh, I have trope cards for Lauren Asher as well. These are so fun. Lila Junko is the one who created the cards. 8 seconds, age gap, cowboy romance, ex-boyfriend's dad, forbidden love, secret relationship, small town romance. Just a sneak peek of all the tropes that you'll see in this book. The back, and then that's the front. I see some very cute pins and stickers. Here's a coaster. Cool, I love the colors. I love the illustrations. Like, I like the simplicity, but then I also love the details for this. Ooh, what's this? This is tied. It's a whole map! Oh my gosh. If you know me, you know I love maps. So this is really cool. And the back says, Welcome to Sugarland Creek, Ranch and a Queen Retreat. The town of Sugarland Creek is home to over 2,000 residents and is surrounded by the beautiful Appalachian Mountain. We're only 15 minutes from the downtown area where you can shop at local boutiques, grab a latte, catch a movie, or simply enjoy the views. Whether you're here to relax and enjoy the views or you're ready to get your hands dirty, we have a variety of activities on the ranch for you to enjoy. Oh my gosh, this is like a proper place. If this was like an actual place, I would go. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, horseback trail riding and tours, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Hiking, mountain biking, and fishing, maps available at the lodge. Family game nights, Sundays and Wednesdays. Karaoke and square dancing, Friday and Saturday nights. Kids game room, open 24/7. You'll find me there because I love games. Actually, I don't really play games. I mean, I play a few board games. I say I'm not a gamer, but like, then I play like all these board games and card games. Anyways, that was a rant. Let's continue. Swimming, pool open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Bonfires with s'mores Fridays. and much more depending on the season. To make your stay here the best experience, meet the family and learn about everything we have to offer at the retreat to ensure you have the vacation of a lifetime. Meet the Hollis family. Garrett and Dina have been married over 30 years. Wilder and Waylon, twin boys, the oldest. Landon, the middle child. Tripp, youngest of the boys. Noah, the only girl and baby of the family. Oh, I love the details. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Make your own scrapbook from your visit. Oh, that is so creative. Cool. There's like stickers. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. We have our last two items to open up. Let's go with the book first, and then I'll share the character art. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is the book. It's so pretty. I'm pretty happy that I received this book because I'll show you the two copies. So there's the copy, if you look at this graphic, copy with the people on the cover, and then this is the alternative cover. I prefer the alternative cover, so I'm really happy that I was sent the alternative cover. There's like page overlays. Oh, it's also signed! That's so cute. Okay, here's the signature. You can take it out and then you can just like slide it in. It looks like that. Let's read the back. A forbidden age gap standalone from small town romance author Brooke Montgomery about a daring horse trainer and her off-limits ex-boyfriend's dad. When we met at the rodeo, I only knew his first name. Sparks ignited between us and we spent an unforgettable night together. It's not until the morning after, when I recognized his last name, do I realize who he is. So I do what any rational woman would and make the walk of shame while he sleeps. It's not like I'll ever see him again or have to explain why I left, but I'm proven wrong when he shows up at my family's ranch as the new farrier. Farrier? We can't be more than friends, for many reasons. He's twice my age, workplace relationships are off limits, and he moved back to rebuild a relationship with his son, the one I used to date. Getting involved would ruin everything. As we struggle between right and wrong, our connection deepens, even though his traumatic past makes him doubt he deserves a second chance. But it doesn't matter when everything's against us, including a rival who's out to get me and my ex who's determined to win me back. After a riding trick goes wrong on his watch, he insists on taking care of me, even though the odds are stacked against us. We keep the truth to ourselves, but secrets don't stay hidden for long in a southern small town. This is the last item. This is the character art. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Okay, hold on. So this, and then like these are, I've already gone over them. There was the big map that showed this writing, and then these are just on the other cards. But oh my gosh. Okay, so this one's like pretty mild, you know, it's just them, yeah. And then there's this. YouTube's gonna take this down. I'ma just go like this, okay? I did it. If you didn't see it, okay, that was it. Oh my goodness. Did I get everything? I feel like everything is here. I feel like I was supposed to get a, where is it in here? There's supposed to be a bookmark in here. So I didn't get the bookmark. Okay, so everything I got everything except for the bookmark, which is okay. Brooke, thank you so much for sending me this beautiful PR package and all these amazing goodies. I am so grateful for this opportunity and cannot believe that I was one of the readers to receive this box, and it's just amazing and I love it, and I can't wait to go through everything and take photos and post it on my Instagram and my TikTok. If you don't follow me there, just be on the pages. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I'll see you later.